Welcome back to TaxTank Tutorials. In this video, we're going to work through the steps to create, edit, and monitor a budget. In TaxTank, you can create a budget for any expense category. To get started, select the Set a Budget button from the dashboard. From here, you have the option to select all tanks, which shows all of the categories available in the drop-down. Alternatively, you can choose a specific tank or the Personal tab to limit the categories shown. From the Expense category field, scroll or search the expenses you want to track and enter the monthly budget amount. Use the Add category button to continue adding expenses. Select the Save button when you're done. On the dashboard, you will see the budget has been created with several layers to monitor overall and individual expenses. As you allocate your transactions from live bank feeds throughout the month, TaxTank will track the budgeted amounts against the actual amounts. From the drop-down, you can select different months to monitor your performance over time. To see the individual expenses in the tanks, select the tank icons. You can edit or delete any expense at any time by selecting the Edit icon to open the Edit Budget pop-up. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out or explore our support articles and videos for further assistance.